Tired of drowning in receipts? Struggling to track your business expenses? You're not alone. Many small business owners grapple with the same challenges. So, the burning question is Expensify truly a better solution than QuickBooks for managing your company's finances? Now, both Expensify and QuickBooks are powerful tools, but they cater to different needs. QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting software designed for a wide range of businesses. It handles invoicing, payroll, inventory management, and, of course, expense tracking. Expensify, on the other hand, specializes in streamlining expense reporting. It automates the process, from capturing receipts to reimbursements, making it incredibly user-friendly. Let's break it down. Expensify excels at receipt capture. Snap a photo, and Expensify automatically extracts data like date, vendor, and amount. Smart AI, intelligent automation learns your spending habits and flags potential issues. Mobile-first design, seamlessly track expenses on the go with their intuitive mobile app. Corporate card integration, effortlessly track business expenses with company-issued cards. QuickBooks, while offering expense tracking, shines in comprehensive accounting, handles all aspects of your finances in one place. Inventory management, tracks stock levels, purchase orders, and sales. Payroll processing, integrates with payroll providers for seamless employee payments. Scalability, grows with your business, offering features for various company sizes. So, which one is right for you? Choose Expensify if you prioritize ease of use and a streamlined expense reporting process. Your primary concern is automating receipt capture and reimbursements. You need a mobile-first solution for your on-the-go team. Choose QuickBooks if you require a comprehensive accounting solution for your entire business. You need to manage inventory, track payroll, and generate detailed financial reports. You're looking for a scalable solution that can grow with your company. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider factors like the size of your team, the complexity of your expenses, and the overall financial health of your business. Don't forget to explore free trials or demos offered by both platforms to see which one best suits your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.